Our values here at Georgia Door and Gate are much more than words on a paper. They go something like this: God first in all things, integrity, authenticity, and committed to excellence. But more than that even, what I am passionate about is involving young men in the trades and bringing them in, teaching them that there's value in hard work. There's really good income to be made if you apply yourselves and if you learn. And we as a society need people who are builders. Not just builders in physical things, but we also need builders in the kingdom of God, in the spiritual things. So I'm not here to help build people that are lopsided. We're here to work on the entire whole being. And that's for myself as well as all of the staff here, but especially for young men that are coming in. The young men need direction. They have so much life, so much potential, and it is a wonderful opportunity that I have to work with these guys. They inspire me daily by their energy and by their willingness to learn, and I'm excited for them to come out and serve you, our customers, with excellence, integrity, and authenticity, and honoring God in it, in all things. Thank you so much. We see you soon.